If you've been following Gate Exchange for a while, you realize that Gates launched the ETF Lucky Draw campaign 2 weeks ago, where users who trade exclusive ETFs will share in over $50,000 worth of rewards. In this particular video, I'm going to be going into details on what Gate ETFs are, how it works, and how you can actually trade Gate ETFs on your mobile app and participate in this campaign to share in this $50,000 worth of rewards. If you're just coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Chidi Finance, and all I do is I share a lot of crypto education on this channel, and I also share opportunities where you can actually make money from the internet. If you find my videos useful, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also make sure you turn on the bell notification to get notified once I release more videos. Now, what is Gate ETF? Gate ETF is a new type of financial derivative where the underlying asset corresponds to perpetual futures. What this means is that each ETF tracks and replicates the price performance of the underlying assets through perpetual futures and amplify it by a certain multiple, such as 3x or 5x. An example of a Gate ETF is BTC3L, Ethereum 3S, or Ethereum 5x, and I'll explain to you. Now, what this means is for BTC3L, L stands for long, 3 stands for 3x leverage, and BTC stands for BTC token. So if you're buying BTC as a spot token, you know that it's just BTC. But as an ETF, so instead of buying just BTC, all you're going to buy is you're going to buy the derivative. You're going to buy the leverage of that BTC token. So let's say you're buying one ETF, a BTC ETF that is BTC3L. What that means simply is that if the price of BTC goes up by 1%, what you're going to be getting if you have purchased BTC ETF, you'll be getting 3%, right? Instead of 1% that BTC increase, because your ETF position is 3L. So that means for every 1% move of BTC, you're earning 3%, right? And if you bought the Ethereum ETF, where Ethereum is Ethereum and is 5x, meaning 5S, meaning S is for short, right? And 5x means 5x leverage. So if you buy Ethereum and Ethereum dumps by 1%, or your profit would now be 5%, because the ETF you bought is 5 times leverage, right, on a short. Do you get? I'll be going over to my phone to show you how to actually trade this ETF. But here's some of the benefits of Gate ETF. The first one is very, very obvious. The first one is that it is easy to trade, right? So unlike futures, unlike normal margin trading and all, for Gate ETF, you can actually trade it on the spot market, right? So the same way you buy Ethereum, the same way you buy Bitcoin, the same way you buy multiple tokens, you can actually buy Gate ETF just in the same spot position. The second benefit is that it is automatically leveraged, meaning you don't need to do anything. Once you buy a BTC3 long, right, you don't need to actually do anything. All you just need to do, just purchase it like you purchase a spot token. Now, you understand how futures works, you understand how margin trading works, where you need to add in an amount of money to trade, right? You need to keep some money in your balance just in case you're about to be liquidated. That will now help to back up your own money in the trade, right? But for buying Gate ETF, you don't need to actually do any of those things, right? There's no margin required. There is also no need to borrow any money, right, for your trade to be successful or to keep your trade, whether the trade is going against you or not. And the third one is that Gate ETF auto rebalance, meaning if the trade is going against you, there's going to be a decrease of a position, and if the trade is going in your favor, there could be an increase in position, right? Which is very, very good. I know you could be saying this sounds too good to be true, but here are some of the risks of Gate ETF. And the first thing is that Gate ETFs is not suitable to hold for a long term. Why? Because you are being charged for every position you hold on a daily basis. You are being charged about 0.1% maintenance fee for every ETF you are holding on a daily basis. So it may not be profitable for a long period of time. So holding it for a couple of days is okay, but wanting to hold it beyond a couple of days could be risky for you, right? And again, you have to actually trade with caution. Very, very importantly, you don't just buy Gate ETF because you can actually make good money from it, yes, but then you have to actually trade with caution. Make sure you have actually checked the markets, you've done your research before investing in Gate ETF. So I'll be going over to my phone to show you how I can actually trade Gate ETF just with your smartphone, right, and start benefiting from the opportunities that Gate has to offer through this ETF. Let's go over to my phone. You can trade Gate ETF on your mobile app. So if you don't have the Gate Exchange, just go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download Gate app. Or you can also trade Gate ETF on the web with your laptop. So all you just need to do is just log into your Gate exchange. If you already have an account, if you don't have an account, sign up. Make sure you complete your verification before you can get access. Now, once that is done, if you come over to your home page, you'll see here, you see favorites, you see sports, you see ETF, you can see some of the top ETFs here. There's ETH5S, there's BTC5S, there's ETH5L. You can go down, you can see Dodge, you can see PEP, right? There are multiple tokens. Yeah, you can see AVAX, there are several. So all you just need to do now, come over to trade, this blue button down, just click on trade here. It's going to take you to spot trade. Now, when you look up, you see spot, you see margin, you see ETF, you see alpha, you see convert, you see P2P. Click on ETF. Now, you just have to start this test. Get leverage tokens are leverage financial derivative. We do not recommend investing in this product without fully understanding. So just take this test. What are derivative? You have to answer it. A financial product derived from underlying assets. So what are leverage tokens? Single, a risk-free financial derivative that tracks performance. A risk-free, no. So is this other one? Are the net asset value and the market price of leverage token always the same? So you have to, not necessary. Are the actual leverage and target leverage of leverage tokens always the same? Not necessarily, due to fluctuations. Yeah. What is the rebalancing mechanism of leverage tokens? Rebalancing aims to maintain the leverage ratio. Non-scheduling rebalancing triggered when schedule rebalancing. Hold on. Okay, good. Do leverage tokens have the risk of going to zero? Yes, in extreme market conditions, they have the. If the trend on the candlesticks chart aligns with the direction of the leverage token I purchase, will I definitely make a profit? Yes. Not necessarily, rather. You must consider whether the price volatility within the, okay, makes sense. Suppose you purchase BTC5L with $1,000 when BTC is priced at 100,000. BTC then drops to 70,000, later returns. Will your BTC still be worth 1,000? No. So if BTC experiential volatility within 10 minutes and BTC undergoes multiple rebalancing and BTC ultimately rises by 10%, which charts better reflect the likely performance of your BTC 3L, 3S position? If BTC experiences sharp volatility within 10 minutes, okay, what happened is that one-sided drop for 3L, one-sided drop for significant volatility for both ending. So I think this is it. Good. So now you can actually trade. Once you pass that test, it's very simple. Just answer those questions. You can actually pause this video and go and try it. If you don't have you've not created a Gate exchange account before, you've not traded Gate ETF, you can just watch my video and go and take the same test. You can pass from there. So yeah, you can actually pick any of the ETF you want to trade. So there are different ETFs here to trade. There's several. There's Hype, there's Link, there's Fatcoin, there's Link, there's ADA. There's so many coins here. There's so many ETFs here you can actually trade. Gala, there's Tesla, even stock. You can actually trade ETFs of stocks, right? Stocks ETF rather. There's so many. There's Google ETF, right? There's so many ETFs. Just pick any one. Let's say you want to trade Google ETF here. Just pick it, then just buy it as you normally do. You use a minimum of $1 to buy. So let's say you want to buy for $100. It's very simple. So you can buy $100. Then you can set your take profit. Always set your take profit. Very, very important. So if we buy this Google 3S, it means we are predicting that Google is going to dump, right? And that means if Google dump by 1%, we have made 3% profit on Google dumping. Do you understand? So let's say this is the current price. So we're expecting that Google will dump to, let's say 0.86, right? Our stop loss could be, you have to also set your stop loss so that if it exceeds that, you will not lose so much. 89. So we can just do 899 or 897, whichever one. then you now buy. Very simple, right? So you just pick anyone you want to pick. So you can pick anyone, can decide to say, okay, you know what, I'm going to buy the ETF of fat coin. So we are predicting that fat coin is going to pump. It has been pumping. If you look at this chart, it has been going up. I see in the past 1 hour, fat coin has done over 44% already. You can see it here, 44% already. So if you are still predicting that fat coin is going to keep on going long, you can actually buy long, buy this ETF, not buy long. You are going to buy this ETF, right? Once you buy it, you can decide to say, okay, you know what, I'll put in $200 in this ETF. Then you buy it. If fat coin goes long, right, then you are going to make, for every 1% move, you're going to make 5%. Now let's assume you bought this ETF. Those who bought this ETF when it was less at 1%, now fat coin is at 44%. This is what they're going to be making from there. They will be making, remember, this is the ETF 5L, meaning 5x leverage, and long, so it will now be 5%, sorry, 5 times 44%. So this is going to be your profits, which is very, very clean. Do you see? So, but you have to actually do your research. You don't just buy it based on sentiment or based on this video. And please remember, this video is just for educational purposes, not a financial advice. Just for me to show you what the Gates ETF is all about. So you have to do your own research before getting into it. So this is very, very simple. If you want to still know more about the ETF, you can just click on this introduction to ETF, select a trading pay, just get all these guides, read it. Very simple. So that is it. And you can actually use money from your wallet. You don't need to transfer any money to anywhere, right? Just make sure you have money in your wallet, then you can actually trade the Gate ETF and get rewarded. If you found this video useful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also make sure you turn on the bell notification. And also share this video to somebody who you think will benefit from this video. In the in the description below, I'm going to be dropping the link to the event, and also be dropping a link to sign up to Get Exchange, right? Just below this video. Make sure you click on it, sign up to Get Exchange, and participate in the campaign.